Okay, check it out. Right here we have the electric toothbrush with water flosser, 3-in-1 teeth cleaning kit with 7 modes, electric toothbrush and flosser combo for adults, water flosser portable with travel and home black from Uningopi, spelled Uningopi. It's like user manual. Flosser head, hose, power cord, 4 brush heads, and the water pick. There's the body. And 2 brush heads with covers. It looks like the brush heads have water spouts inside of them. Okay. Good vibrating action there, you can see. This toggles through clean, soft, white, polish. Right? Connect the hose to the back of this. Right? This end goes in the water. So turning on the water pick button sprays the water that comes in through the hose. So let's attach the water pick head. Says to leave a little space in between there in the instructions. This end is in the water here, and let's turn the pick, press the water pick button. As you can see, nice small stream. It's coming out of 2 different directions, so coming out of the front and out of the side. Secondary, just coming out of the side and dripping out of the front. Now it's a pulse spray. Each time you push the water pick button, you get hard stream, soft stream, and pulse spray. Kind of hard to take off there. Not very easy to slip off. Let's try this attachment. That one slid on there much more easily. It says to leave a little space in between. Press the spray button with a water pick button here. Oh, that's a nice firm spray. You can see it spraying all over the place there. Second button, softer spray. And the pulse is the third one. So quite a firm spray with that one. And nice. It's got a good, sleek, ergonomic, kind of a soft handle to it. And the multiple comes with 6 different brush heads, as well as 2 different water picks, one for fine picking and the larger one.